Kain tayo ng tiyan ng baboy. Yan. Yan, brown na siya. Yan guys. Hiwain natin dito yung rice. Yung rice guys. Yan. Tapos ilagay natin dito guys. Yung rice. Yes. Let's eat guys. Yan. Fitness rice yan guys. Fit rice yan guys. Yung healthy. Dito naman yung soap ko. Soap. Yan. The chili. Yan. This is my dinner guys. Kain-kain tayo. Yes. Yan my dinner. Let's eat guys. Utan, Bisaya, at saka adobong baboy. Bye-bye at rice.